deal with sneezing? Hey, don't you know fam? Ever wondered why we sneeze? Is it just a random thing, or is there a secret behind it? Let's find out! Sneezing is actually your body's way of clearing out irritants like dust, pollen, or germs from your nose or throat. It's like a mini explosion to help keep things clean. When something irritates your nasal passages, your brain gets the signal, and bam! Your body takes a deep breath, builds pressure, and then, akoo, you sneeze it all out. And here's a fun fact. Some people sneeze when they step into bright sunlight. It's called photic sneeze reflex. Pretty wild, huh? So, next time you sneeze, just remember, your body's got your back. Stay tuned to Don't You Know for more cool facts.